So in task 3, I have to create the SQL query. So let's say I create a database, which is LSBU smart home. Once I executed the code, is the command successfully gonna run. So after that, I'm gonna click here and then I click the SQL query according to my entities. So according to my entities, I have 11 SQL table. So let's gonna run this. All right, once I run this command, it's gonna be complete successfully. After that, I have to insert 20 table for data. Some of them I use more than records, around 25 or 40. Okay, these are the list. Now we can see all of the records of sample data is working properly, and you see I told you already that 20 also I already also had some of them 40 records, some of them 25 records due to I need the task 4. So now let's move on task 4. All right, in task 4, the question is in task 4, the question is I need to set up and test all of the following queries using SQL language and provide screenshots. I'm going to show you. So the task 4A, I have to write a query to show the details of clients, their property location, and the total value of smart home design, and especially those clients who have made the most expensive and the least expensive total value. So let's see that one. Okay, for this I implement this shortcode where I can easily find my lowest value and highest value. Now we can see one of the guy John, he have the total lowest value, and Joy Jacks, he have the highest total value. Now let's move on task 4B. In task 4B, the question is write a query that calculate individual total for the numbers complete, incomplete, and cancel Wi-Fi products order from each supplier. So I have to use the supplier entity table. So for this, I select. Sorry, just a mistake. All right. Once I executed the code, I can see that the Apple complete the order. One, they don't have incomplete order, they don't have cancel orders. Similarly, others, Microsoft, Nokia, they have also the separate data. So that's it, my 4B. In the 4C, I need to show them right queries, especially staff who are available for booking onto installation job this week. So I use the date for last month and in April. Sorry, it's February. So I can for this query SQL code I can find my especially those who are available for the next week. So here you go, you can easily find it. So you see from my 25 record sample data, I see 5 of them is available in different role. So now let's move on task 4D. In task 4D, I have to implement using triggers. Procedure automatic prevents double booking, especially staff during installation booking process. So for this, if I use this code, I just need to prevent. Okay, once I use this code, it's gonna completely run successfully. After that, now I can check who is available or who is not available. Now let's move again the insert. All right, now I can insert two of the record data, where I can find those who are available and who is not available. I can see there is a message to proceed prevents line and staff member already booked for this installation time. So we can see the result. Now let's move on 4E. In the 4E, I have to show them store procedure that can generate a complete costed device list and total cost for any installation specified time per relative period. Weekly, I have to show them the weekly, monthly, and quarters. So I'm gonna show the first two. Let's see. Here you go, the code for 4E. Once I run this code successfully, I can implement and show the data. So now the command show that is completely run successfully. So now I can search by monthly one or weekly one. Now we can generate costed device list by this small code. From here, you can see there's a small error. Sorry for that. From here, I think we can definitely see the time period and the costed device list. Now we can change this one, and then we can have a check also the monthly one. There you go. I believe it's gonna become red. Now we can see the monthly one. So that should be all of our task 4. Now let's move on task 5. In the task 5, we have to use we have to show the produce dashboard to combining 4 to 6 visualization install element where we can use by show them by Power BI or Tableau. So now I have to copy the server. Let's see. Just take let's see the preference properties. Just copy the server name. Now let's go on Tableau. Tableau, I just need to link with the SQL command. Now we can see our LSA smart home coming. So we can drag all of the table one by one. The building, time, controller design, device, installation stop, invoice, payment, stop, software, all of them. Next move is that we have to load all of this. Once we load all of this, we can show the some of them bar chart or pie chart. So now let's move on pie chart. So now I'm going to show you the total cost of device. So I have to implement one of the data. So I want to make the bar chart. In the bar chart, I want to show the total cost of the device. So I use the installation ID in the x-axis, installation ID, what is installation ID in the x-axis, and the y-axis. I need to show the total device cost by device type. There you go, the device type. Now we can see the total cost of device used by installation. And now you can see the different device type and also different count installation ID. So let's make another one. Now I'm going to show you the pie chart. All right, in the pie chart, I'll show you the complete and incomplete, pending installments. So for this, we can use the installation status from installation table. You see installation status, just drag here, and then values y-axis where we can use the installation ID. There you go. We get our installation count of installation by complete. Those who are pending, complete, pending, and in progress is a different percentage. That's how we have to make also other as well as. So it's already 10 minutes. I don't want to make the video more extra. So that should be all. Thank you so much. I hope is everything gonna be fine, and I hope I show everything properly and implement everything in the best way. Thank you so much.